Hi guys, it's Mandy and I'm back with my bro Joseph.
How's everybody?
Yeah, welcome back.
How's everybody doing on this lovely night?
Yes, indeed. It's a fun day. It's a
yeah.
really fun day. There's a reason I asked you to join me in my video today. Because I want you to be part of this next review.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
And I can't wait to see what it is.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We're trying Chip Ahoy cookie butter.
Ooh. You heard that right?
Yeah.
It's Chips Ahoy cookie butter inspired.
That's right.
As you watch my two eyes, you can see I'm just hilarious. I tried.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get to the cookies in just a moment.
Exactly. See, I like how you already talking about it. No, that's not me. So, it says holiday edition. Even though it's technically after the holidays. But you get the point.
Technically after New Year's, but it's still celebrating New Year of the Year, 2026.
So, yeah. Yep, 2026.
2026
yeah.
of the New Year. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's chewy. Yeah. You know what we normally do.
We gotta do a smell test.
That's right. It's smell test time.
You know what that means?
Yeah. So, are you ready to smell it?
Oh, yeah.
Right?
On. Oh, sorry. Excitement. 2, 3. The excitement is real.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Before I bite, taste test.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. You know how good these are or smells?
Oh, my God.
It smells so good. That's how you know it smells good. Now, for the taste test.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, my God.
That's how you know it's that good.
Oh, my God. And you know, if you take a good look at the cookie, it looked like it was toasted.
It do. You could see the little, vanilla chips or whatever you call them. You can literally see them on the cookies.
Yeah.
The cookies, that
These
is.
are really good.
And they're pretty good. That's how you know it's cookie butter. Because it tastes a little bit like it. But it's nice and sweet.
Yeah. It's cookie
And
butter
it's chewy.
with white chocolate chips in it.
White chocolate chips, that's what these are. Okay, so that's what they are on these cookies.
Yep, this is white chocolate chips on it.
Oh, nice.
With cookie butter filling on the inside.
Oh, yeah, the inside has a very good filling. And if you are a Chips Ahoy person, you must go out and try it out. Especially if you're a big lover of that. Give that a try.
Especially from the chewy side, the chewy Chips Ahoy.
Chewy Chips Ahoy are the best. Chips Ahoy, I'll give you that. You are out of 10 in this one.
Yes.
Why? Because you taste it very good. Exactly the taste that it's supposed to be, like it was saying on that pack.
It's so pretty. The packaging is so pretty and festive. And then, like, when you smell it, the smell is so enticing. It smells so good. And it tastes just as good. I know I'm late to the party. We late to the party. It's okay.
We're late to the party, but we're celebrating, aren't we? Yeah.
That's silly. I love you for that.
I love you too, sis.
Yeah. He's such a silly goose, isn't he? He's silly.
We are such family. You know we are family, right? And the same goes to all of you who's watching.
Exactly. So, I'm going to just say it was me this time who actually bought the snack.
Oh, you hear that? She bought the snacks.
I had a soul day downtown Brooklyn, and I was looking for more of those holiday nog because them things are crack. So I was looking for more of the holiday nog, and I was inside the City Point Target. Target always.
Yeah,
and
mostly.
Then I couldn't find it, but then I found this, and here's a funny story about this.
Like a fun fact.
This was the last one.
Wow. And caught it just in time before it was gone.
Exactly.
It could have been all sold out.
True.
But guess what? She caught it before it happened.
They sure did.
See that? See how quick she did her reflex? She reflexed and got that. As you can see. And the last pack.
Yep.
Can you believe that?
Right.
I'm like, Target, you saved us the last pack. Thank you.
Target.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Target, you really did it. You really did.
So, yes, I know, like, it's been a while. I've done a lot of solo, and I've been a lot with Lena and everybody else, so it's been a while since I last did one with Joseph, so I decided this one I'll do with you.
And man, it's good. My goodness.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to share some with Danny in a few minutes, too, before after I end this video, of course. Want another thing?
Sure.
And in the meantime, as he's getting ready to chow down on the cookies, I'm going to just say in this video, to end it, like I always say, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to Easterling Amanda for more content. And if you like helicopters, subscribe to Joseph.
That's me right here.
For helicopter content. And thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost there, guys.
Yes.
988 subscribers. We're almost there. I'm so excited. I can literally taste 1K. So.
Oh, you're going to get this 1K coming in.
Yes.
Soon enough.
So thank you guys so much for watching and subbing and sharing. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you all. And of course, thank you all for watching her.
Exactly.
Because she is the best YouTuber we could ever have. And and this is the most amazing thing I've ever done for so many years with her. And it's like, I give her credit because she be doing her snack videos and her food videos and even, cereals and stuff.
Yeah.
But of course, this is the cookie night.
Yes.
And, oh no, we ain't talking about Cookie Monsters. But we're talking about the real cookies that you see these right here.
Exactly.
But yes. So I'll give her that as a good credit for the night. And Target, you have done it again. When it comes to tasting these cookies, it is so good. It makes me want to get another one.
Exactly.
I ain't the only one getting another one though. Because I'm sure she's going to get one if she wants to.
I am.
She just has to go to downtown and get another cookie if they still got it.
Don't you tip me. I will do it. Don't you tip me.
And she would too.
Yeah.
She would. She will make sure she go out there and get another one. She would.
Exactly.
If she got it, she'll get it.
Exactly. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the silliness. Thank you for the funny chaos.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So this is Mandy.
This is Joseph saying
bye, guys.
Bye, everybody. God bless.
Bye.
I love y'all.
Love you too.
Thank you.